Hello friends, we have got another vintage radio for restoration. This one is a Philips backlight body, push button switches, B4CA87U, and the back cover is in fair condition, as you can see. So we have got this from the thrift store and it is in a very dirty condition. Just open it up and we'll see inside. So the back cover comes off. No transformers in this, so this is a series heater, and that's the speaker. This speaker is a ceramic magnet speaker, and those time they used to have alnico magnets, so the speaker has been changed. That's the ferrite rod antenna, the original CAN capacitor. As you can see, it is very dirty and we have to clean it. For cleaning I use air blower, but before I can air blow and clean it, we have to make sure that this label is protected. Otherwise this label is not in a very good condition, and it may, when we blow air on it, it may break away. So we have to protect this first. I will use a brush and gently clean it. I'm using this piece of clear plastic and connecting it with tapes, and I'm placing it on this label so that the label is protected. Like this. When we use the air blower, this will protect this label. For cleaning it, we have to take the chassis out, but to take the chassis out we have to first unscrew the knobs. Okay, so we'll use a screwdriver like this, and we have to unscrew the knobs. So here is the screw which was holding the knob on this shaft. As you can see, the screw goes in like this. Wherever necessary, we can use WD-40. So the now knobs are done. Now we have to unscrew the chassis from underneath these. So I will use some spanner or something to unscrew these and take the chassis out. So now you're taking the screws out that are holding the chassis like this. And as you can see, all the grommets have melted. The rubber grommets, they have melted. So we have unscrewed the chassis. Now the chassis is loose and it can come out, but before we can do that, we have to make sure that we take the magic eye and the speaker also. So we have to unscrew the magic eye from here. Okay, like that. The magic eye came off, and the speaker. Okay, so it is difficult to take out the speaker. We will just use a wire cutter and cut these wires. Another wire is for this plate aerial, and we have to take that also. Yeah, so we have taken off the magic eye, the wire for the plate aerial, and the speaker wires. Now the chassis is free and it can come out. So you can see it is very dirty, and to clean it we have to blow it with air blower. Yeah, but before we can do that, we have to make sure that we take the dial out. So here is the dial of this radio, and it is made of glass or plastic. I think it's clear plastic. And before we can blow air on this, we have to take this out, and it is held to the chassis by these rubber grommets. Okay, so we will just push the rubber grommets in and take the dial out like this. It goes in like this. So you can see we have taken the dial plate out. It is made of plastic, clear plastic, and it is very light. Unlike other radios, other Philips radio I have, in which the dial plate is made of glass, but this one is made of plastic. Yeah, that is a diffuser sheet, and you can see it is completely destroyed. We have to change that. Now once that is done, now you are in a position to blow air on this and clean it. So I'll get my air blower, and then we can try to clean this up. Also, you will notice that there is a piece of plywood there which is holding the speaker, and we have to take that out. And once it is taken out, we can clean the body, the bakelite body, with soap and water. It is very dirty, and we will use soap and water to clean it. Yes, so I have unscrewed the board, this ply board, and it is coming right off like this. And you can see the laminates are coming apart, so it is not in a very good condition. Also, here is an example of how these radios can be dirty. So it is filled with cockroach eggs and gecko eggs, all dirty and filthy. But thankfully it will clean up nicely because it is made of bakelite, and we can wash it with soap and water.
Focus video.
Yeah, so we have cleaned the chassis with soap and water, and it came out nicely, as you can see. And that's the inside. Still wet, but it's clean.
Wow.
Yeah, so here is a view of the underneath of the chassis, and you can see here lot of bumblebee big black capacitors are there. Here they are. This one is silvery one is a electrolytic capacitor. Green ones are the resistors. Yeah, this one is this black one is a output transformer. More capacitors and resistors, and these will be checked with the schematic, and we will see if they are okay or not, and if they are not okay, we will change them. Yeah, that's it for this video, and thank you for watching. In our next video, we will show the restoration done, the progress we have done on this chassis and radio.